County Executive Committee Member, Health Services. Attached, please find their detailed testimonial, curriculum vitae, and Chapter 6 documents for necessary action by the County Assembly. Amos Kimomi Nyaribo, Governor Nyamira County. The second one is referenced nomination as County Chief Officer, Department of Water, Sanitation and Irrigation. In exercise of the powers conferred upon me under Section 45(1), Section A, B of the County Government Act number 17 of 2012, I, Amos Kimomi Nyaribo, the Governor of Nyamira County, do hereby nominate the following person to the position indicated against his name for the County Assembly's vetting and approval before his formal appointment to serve as County Chief Officer. Name: Onyinkwa Richard Nixon Abuga, of ID number 11036829. The ward is Magombo Ward. Portfolio: County Chief Officer, Water, Sanitation and Irrigation. Attached, please find their detailed testimonials, curriculum vitae, and Chapter 6 documents for necessary action by the County Assembly. Signed by Amos Kimomi Nyaribo, Governor, Nyamira County. From the two communications, I hereby direct the Committee of Appointments to deal with the case of Dr. Donald Mogoi, whose portfolio is the County Executive Committee Member, Health Services. Little majority. Thank you. Take the little majority. You work on the documents and the necessary preparations and ensure within 14 days we have the report.
It's okay, Honorable Speaker.
Thank you. To the Committee of Environment, Water, Mining and Natural Resources Committee to deal with the case of Onyinkwa Richard Nixon Abuga, holding the portfolio of County Chief Officer, Water, Sanitation and Irrigation. Chairman, Environment Committee, Honorable Emmanuel Gisesa.
Honorable Speaker, on behalf of the chairperson and the vice chair for the committee,
thank you. Within 14 days, finish the
Mr. Speaker, I only wanted to know whether he is giving a notice of motion or moving a motion, Mr. Speaker, because I've heard him saying that he is moving a motion, but I thought that he is begging me to give a notice of motion, Mr. Speaker.
Honorable Emmanuel Gisesa, you wish.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I beg to give a notice of motion to consider, debate and adopt the County Assembly of Nyamira 3rd Assembly 3rd Session Calendar 2024.
Thank you. Next order.
Statements.
Next order.
Motions and bills.
Resumption to debate. Honorable Kenneth Nyamira, Chairperson, Committee on Public Investment and Accounts.